So ratio is my topic today. So mathematics is a subject which I'm going to teach you. Good afternoon and you are welcome in your channel Kanchanjha Makes Learning Easy. You must be thinking why I'm not teaching ratio and proportion together, because it is a combined topic. But I don't want my students to get confused. And so today I'm going to brief you about how to solve the sums of ratio, and maybe in the next class I'll teach you how to solve proportion. So let's start. So first of all, I would like to tell you that when we are going to find a ratio, the important thing is both the numbers should be the same unit. Okay? What is ratio? Ratio is actually a way of comparison. Okay, a way of comparing two things, and the unit has to be same. So these three sums are the simplest sums of finding the ratios. So let me start with explaining the first, that is 15 minutes to 35 minutes. So what we are going to do is we will divide 15 by 35. Okay, we'll put it in a fraction form, and this will be 5 3s are 5 7s are, and the ratio is 3:7. Okay, and this is the symbol for ratio. Now another is 3 meter to 500 centimeters. So as I explain you right now, the unit has to be same. So this is meter, this is centimeter. So it can't go together. So either we have to make 3 meter into centimeter, or we have to make centimeter to meters. Okay, now it's up to you how we want to change. Now we are changing 3 meters to centimeters. So 3 into 100 will be 300 centimeters, right? Now the fraction will be 300 by 500. Both the zeros will be cut and the ratio will be 3:5. Okay? Now, next is 20 minutes to 180 seconds. And again, the problem is the unit is different. So we'll change minutes to seconds. So 1 minute 60 seconds. So 20 minutes will be 20 into 60, that is 1200, right? So the ratio will be 1200 by 180. 3 4s are 12, that is 40, 3 6s are 80. So again 20, and this will be 3. So 20:3 is the ratio. Okay, so this was how we find the ratio of two numbers given in such order. Now, another type of sum is express the following ratios in the simplest form. So already it is given the ratio, we just have to put it in the simplest form. So 12 by 36. So we can divide by 12, 12 ones are, 12 threes are, right? So the ratio is 1:3. This is the simplest form. Now 27:48. Okay, so we can divide it with 3 at first. 3 9s are 27. This is 3:16. So 9:16 is the ratio in its simplest form. Now 20:16. So 20 by 16, we can divide it by 4, that is 5 by 4. So the simplest form is 5:4. So these are the simple sums how we can solve the ratio. Now I will show you 1 or 2 word problems so that you can understand it nicely. So the sum is Rohan works in a factory and earns rupees 12,000 per month. So his income is rupees 12,000. Now he saves rupees 1,500 every month. So saving is rupees 1,500. Now find the ratio of his saving to his income and his income to his expense, right? So first ratio is to find for his saving to his income. So saving is how much? It is rupees 1,500, right? And income is 12,000. Rupees 12,000. Now, therefore, ratio of his saving to his income will be saving 1,500 Now put it in a fraction by his income, that is 12,000, not divide. Okay? So 5 3s are 24s are 3 1s are 3 8s are. So 1 is to 8 is the ratio of his saving to his income. And the next part is his income to his expense. So his income, again, as we know, income is equal to rupees 12,000. But do we know the expenses? No. So we have to find the expense. So here expense will be income minus saving. So 12,000 minus 1,500. And that is 10,500, right? So his expense is 10,500. So the ratio of his income to his expense. Now the thing which is mentioned in the first comes as the numerator in the fraction. So his income, that is 12,000 by his expense, that is 10,500, right? Now divide both. 60, we are dividing with 5, so 5 2s are 10, 24. Here we can write it as 24. And the 21, 3 8s are 3 7s are. So that is 8 is to 7. Okay, so his income to his expense, the ratio is 8 is to 7, and the saving to his income is 1 is to 8. And in this way, we find the ratio of these kind of sums. If you have any doubts, you can definitely comment in the comment box, and I can revise it for you once more. And if it is clear, then please do comment. Thank you so much for watching. We'll come up with next video again.